So let me get this straight. You don't know how to drive.
Well, no, not technically. But I just thought that...
What did you think? Oh, I'll just magically win the race just because I really want to.
Look, wise guy, I know I'm a racer. I can feel it in my code.
Oh, that's it. I'm never getting my medal back.
What is the big whoop about that crummy medal anyway?
The big whoop? Well, this may come as a shock to you, but in my game, I'm the bad guy, and I live in the garbage.
Cool.
No, not cool. Unhygienic and lonely and boring. And that crummy medal was gonna change all that. I go home with that baby around my neck and I'll get a penthouse, pies, ice sculptures, fireworks. It's grown-up stuff, you wouldn't understand.
No, I get it. That's exactly what racing would do for me.
Well, guess what?
What?
Newsflash! Neither one of us is getting what we want! What was that? Diet Cola Hot Springs. Watch out for falling Mentos.
Yeah, check it out, look. Ugh.
Wow!
Oh, you gotta watch out for the splash. That stuff is broiling hot.
Yeah, I got that, thank you. What is this dump?
I think it's some sort of unfinished bonus level. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? I found that secret opening, and now I live here. See? Oh, look. Welcome to my home. I sleep in these candy wrappers. I bundle myself up like a little homeless lady.
By yourself? With all this garbage around you?
Well, yeah. I mean, everyone here says I'm just a mistake and that I wasn't even supposed to exist. What do you expect?
Listen, kid. I know it's none of my business, but why do you even stick around this game?
You really don't know anything, do you? Glitches can't leave their games. It's one of the joys of being me. But it's all I got.
You're gonna be a racer, and have to learn how to drive. You can't do that without a track. All right, now, let's hustle up. We got some driving to do.
I'm gonna learn to drive. Oh, wait, do you know how to drive?
Yeah. I mean, I haven't done it, but look, I flew a spaceship today, okay?
You crashed it.
Just get in. How hard can it be? Okay. Start it up. There we go. So there's some buttons on the floor. Pedals, right. Now, that's the go pedal. That, I believe, is the stopper. And this... Wait, what is this? That doesn't do anything.
Ooh, what's this joystick do?
Oh! Okay, good. Let's try that again.
I've been looking for a driver who's qualified. So if you think that you're the one, step into my ride. I'm a fine-tuned supersonic speed machine with a sunroof top and a gangster lean. So if you're feeling, let me know. So start me up and watch me go. Get you where you wanna go if you know what I mean. Gotta ride that smoother than a limousine. That's a 0 to 60 and 3.5. Baby, you got the key.
Keep going. Shift it again.
Shut up and drive.
I told you, racing's in my code.
So if you're feeling, let me know.
I got that medal in the bag.
So where you wanna go if you know what I mean. Gotta ride that smoother than a limousine. 0 to 60 and 3.5. Baby, you got the key.
Look out!
Shut up and drive.
I'm going.
shut up and drive.
So how'd I do?
Well, you almost blew up the whole mountain.
Right. That's a good note.
You gotta get that glitch under control, kid.
Okay, I will. And then you think I got a chance?
Tiny.
Yes, I'm gonna win!
Top shelf.
Top shelf!